Wow! Wala ka daghan, oy! What do you say to your sister? You're welcome, sister. What's that? Oh, is that plum?
Yeah, plum.
Plum?
Plum.
Oh! Careful! Are you okay? I believe. She left the table. She wants to sit by herself and eat by herself. Want this? Don't be scared. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm scared. It's currently 12:20 and kakagising lang ng ating babysitting from her nap. That's why she's still very sleepy. Still very, what's wrong? Gagawa sana ako ng itong garlic naan ba oh? Garlic naan, cheese naan pala ito eh. Ayan. 4 yung laman nito kagabi. Niluto ko yung dalawa sa may dalawa dito. So, I wanna make it for lunch. I've got this sobrang laking strawberry for babies. What is it?
Stew.
What's this?
Red.
It's strawberry.
Red.
Sobrang init, guys. It's red. It sure is, my love. It's red. I am sweating now. Andito kami sa loob ng bahay. Ikaw, anak, you should go in the bedroom lang ka. Stay in the bedroom kasi it's cooler there. Inon ko yung air conditioner sa loob ng sa bedroom kasi ito siya natutulog. Tapos sobrang init. Tingnan niyo, oh, lapot na si Mami Yola. I think it's 32 today, Daddy. Yeah. But it's been like really hot for the last couple of days. So, basang-basa na sa pawis. But gusto kong i-on ko to kanina. Turn off yung Daddy Mike kasi Daddy Mike ay may ubo. Hindi maganda para sa kanya. So, he turned it off. Sobrang init dito. Tapos ngayon, magluluto pa tayo sa kusina na. Samot yung kainit-aninak. Lupig pa nato yung halinan. Hey, do you wanna sit next to Mama here, babe? Mama's gonna make this one. Oh. No. Don't be scared. We're just gonna do this. Ayan ang ating baby girl. Mabilis lang naman ito na. 2 minutes lang. Just give it 2 minutes, okay? Okay. What? There you go. Oh, we've got, pala? Naku, we've got a new card lang. Sobrang sweet. So, today is the 16th of November. Tomorrow is the 17th, obviously. So, bukas ay birthday na ni Mami niyo, guys. Oh my God! I'm so excited for my birthday. Charis. Sobrang excited sa birthday. So, a few days ago, nakatanggap ako ng card from Daddy Mike's nani and lolo sa Melbourne. So, happy birthday, granddaughter. Thank you, Nan and Pa, if you're watching. I know you're watching this. I appreciate the card. And also, the card and the $50. Nilagyan nila ng $50 yung card. So, they're very sweet, guys. Thank you so much, Nani and Papa. Oh, okay. It's not ready yet lang. A birthday is very special, and that is what you are. Here's wishing your day is the best one by far. This card is filled with love, hugs, kisses, and more. It's filled with special wishes for a granddaughter who is so adored. Lots of love, Mom, Dad, Nan, Pop. So there you go. Thank you. And then today, kasi kaninang umaga, pumunta kami ng playgroup ni Baby Sally. Did you have fun at the playgroup, honey girl? Yeah. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog. So, So, yeah, ngayon lang. Papasensyahan nyo na. Another card arrived sa mail. And this is from Mike's mom. Mom Karen. Oh, dumating in time. Yung card ni mom. Happy for you. Happy birthday. See, ganito ako kamahal ng family ni Daddy Mike, guys. It's like they really think, you know, like they really treat me special. And I feel special. You know, hindi lahat parang isip na bigyan ka ng card. Like, I don't expect anything naman, no, from other people. Like, if they give me something like card and that, flower, you know, it makes me very happy. Effort lang sa akin, guys. This, tama na. What's that? I have to turn big. We'll see if we can turn this big.
I'll do it.
Okay, do it because it's very hot. I don't want you to hurt yourself, okay? So, this one, happy birthday, dear Jovi. Enjoy every moment of your special day. Wishing you a day filled with joy and sparkles. Love, Mom. So, Mom gave me $50 na, gift card. The ultimate gift to say thank you. So, $50 I can use sa H&M, IKEA, The Good Guys, Lorna Jane, Subway, The Iconic Kogan, Peter Alexander, everything, guys, na maisip na magagamit ko to. So, mayaman si mami nyo ngayon. Manyaman si mami nyo ngayon. But yeah, thank you, Mom, for the card and for the voucher. Ooh, what happened? What happened? I can't believe tomorrow Mom is going to be... How old's Mommy gonna be tomorrow lang? Can you say 18? Can you say 18? Ha? 18 si Mommy bukas. Pwede nang mag-asawa. Na, sobrang init talaga dito, nak. Uy. Hey, girl. What you wanna do? Sikit lang.
I'll do it. I'm gonna do it.
Mahangin sa labas na. Tingnan nyo ang kanyang buhok. Andito na kami ngayon sa labas. Where are we going, Baba Girl?
Store.
School. What are we doing there?
Store.
Yeah, what are we doing there?
Mommy.
Pick up Ati.
Ati.
That's right. Maglalakad lang kami, guys, kasi hindi siya sobrang mainit. It's very warm, pero hindi siya yung sobrang mainit yung araw. So, yeah. Ayan, yung kanyang pa-outfit for today. Pangatlong bihis na namin yan for today. Yung dress na pangalawa ay nabasa niya. Tubig. So, Celine put her shoes on by herself. Tingnan niyo. Bali. Bali. But you done a great job, honey. Dito ang ating isang bag. Popost natin after nating pick upin si Ate Paris. And off we go. Full ni Kuya. Sobrang lagkit ng panahon. Humid ba? But yung breeze ay maganda. So, it's okay na maglakad kami. We don't have anything on this afternoon naman, so it's fine.
What's the name?
Spencer.
Hey, I know her. I mean him.
Yeah? Maybe put it in like the lost property one.
Or the,
Yeah, there.
or the office.
You want to? Okay, let's go.
But I like it at all.
Ate Paris, say hi sa ear. Wala na, what happened to your pants lang? I think you got it.
Wrong way.
Oh my God. Ginawang skirt. You go in the toilet ka. Look! Wala, pumunta ng toilet, guys. Tingnan nyo. Hindi ba, like, have a look. Yan, you should put the other leg here. Look! Ginawang skirt. Nabuang maganak.
But I didn't see it, and I didn't know how to
Okay, let's go to the toilet. So you can fix it, okay?
Mama. Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Silly cat. Come on. Where's the girl's toilet?
I'll show you.
Okay. Why was Daddy upset with you this morning, honey?
Because my daddy thinks that I lost my watch.
Well, it seems like you lost it anyways. Beautiful girl.
Because
So, alam niyo yung binili ni Daddy Mike Ate Paris na watch, guys. Daddy got upset this morning because they found out that it's gone. Because I'm pretty sure you didn't use it to swimming yesterday.
No.
That's right. So, you said Tuesday you went swimming to school.
Other Tuesdays.
So, you remember Tuesday? You were using it Tuesday.
Sister.
Sister?
Because I
Is
remember.
that your sister?
Because I remember that.
Sister
Because
Lee.
I remember that Miss Michelle took it off, and after swimming, she gave it back.
Yeah. I don't think it's in the swimming bag. Yeah. We'll see if we can find out her. We'll double check your bag and the swimming bag. Maybe it's there. Otherwise, yeah, that is not happy actually. Not get her another one lang. Stop kami dito guys kasi tingnan nyo. May shade. Eh ito, kuha na siya. Reklamo na siya nga init na kuno kaayo. Kaapoy na kuno siya. Kapoy na si Inday. Sabi ko mag-walk lang tayo anak. Punta lang tayo mamaya ng KFC. Bili ng ano. Tawag dito. Yung freeze. Yung Slurpee. Wow! Wala ka daghan, oy! What do you say to your sister? You're welcome, sister. Huh? Where are we going, ate? Gelato. It's perfect time for an ice cream. It's very hot. I realized tagal na namin din nakapag-ice cream din. 2 days na. Ha? Okay, go. Oh, it's Christmas everywhere now. We got like Christmas thing going on. Hi, how are you?
Mine, look at the one at
Which
the
one would you
back.
like? Which one would you like? Huh?
One sprinkle? The sprinkle one over there.
Yeah, which one? Do you want this? Nutella?
Oh, no, I want.
Okay, yeah.
I know one.
Ice cream for more. They've got like the birthday cake flavor. Tapos yung sa akin salted caramel tsaka chocolate. Ugh! Sabi ko wag nang mag-corn. Cup na lang kasi milk pa. Sobrang init. Ay, nag-corn-corn man tong dalawa. Ano nangyari dun sa kabila? Ano na? You look like an ice cream yourself. Not you got ice cream on your top as well.
I'm lucky. I got 2. Everyone!
Ayaw lang. I don't think it looks beautiful.
Everyone! Mine was crazy because I got crying under the tissue and
Yeah, nilagay ko na yung kay Baby Celine sa cup.
if it
Kay nag-melt na.
and it melts down, it will just pour
Yeah, I
down.
never wipe your hand. Pumunta na kami ng post office, guys. Ay, nakabili na kami nito. Toothbrush. Na-post na namin yung ano din. Tapos ito siya, 680. Yan. It's good for you lang to soft. One for you, one for Lini.
No, it's fake.
One for me. Where is that from? What did you do?
My hand.
What's that?
My hand.
Oh, is that plum?
Yeah, plum.
Plum?
Plum.
What did you do with the plum?
My.
Did you just squash it? Oh, you're a silly girl. What would you like now? What do you need?
My hand.
What do you want to do with your hands now?
My hand.
Show Daddy your hands.
Daddy.
Wash.
Wash? Okay, go. Get Daddy wash. Get ready to wash, Daddy. Ito yung ginagawa ko yun, guys. Ilalagay ko yung mga dishes dapat kalagyan para malagyan na naman natin ng bago. Magluluto tayo ng dinner. We'll have chicken for tonight. Chicken breast. Lagyan natin ng oysters. 6 o'clock. Ate. Lainey! It's 6 o'clock, Palangga!
Did you like the run?
Did you like the run lang? Enjoy na enjoy yung mga kids guys kanina. Nung galing kami sa, di ba nag-ice cream kami? Tapos nung pauwi na, very quiet man yung daan. May isang, strip na walang sasakyan. Alam niyo ba yung ginawa namin? Sa Ate Paris, kasi gusto na niyang magpupo. So, sabi niya, Mommy, I really need to go to the toilet. So, alam ginawa ni Mami niyo, kasi naglakad mo sa Ate Paris. Pinasakay ko siya sa pram yung sa likuran. Tapos, si Celine sa harapan. Tapos nag-push ako. Guys, sobrang lakas ng takbo ko. And you know what? Both of them enjoyed it. And I think it's, something for the books. Alam mo yun, like, I think forever namin na mari-remember yun. Kasi sobrang lakas talaga ng takbo ko, guys. And their hair, gumagano, lumilipad-lipad yung kanilang buhok. Sobra akong natawa. And ngayon, tinatanong ako ni Paris, did you like that run? It was so good. It was very fun. Cooking. It's chicken. And then, lagyan ko na ng oyster sauce. Tapos yung carrots. Ayan. Daan. Hawak ko yan siya. Soon.
A few moments later.
Makain na yung mga girls, guys. Ayan ang aking niluto. So, ito, ilalagay ko to siya sa bowl. Tapos, kakainin. Bukas, mayroon pang breakfast. Si Daddy Mike, hindi maganda yung kanyang pakiramdam. So, gusto niya, iba yung kainin niya. He's been coughing and may, may lagnat din si Daddy Mike, guys. Lini girl! Ay, don't put your hand on the thing lang! Ang ating baby girl ay payak-iyak na rin ang sleep. Did you find your baby? Good job! Ayan. So, meron pa tayong, siguro mamaya kain ako. Hindi pa kasi ako kumain. Hindi busog pa ako, guys. Yung mga kids lang yung pinakain ko. While I'm talking to, tinan nyo. Mac! Hi!
Hello guys. Hi sa mga vlog. Hi sa mga viewers. Mami tanap.
Padool daw. Padool ng guy.
Padool mama. Padool mas. Hi. Oh. Do you remember me?
Palong ko. Sobrang laki na ng pamangkin ko, guys. Oh. Buyag na kaayo.
Si mami ko.
Tadam!
Matindog na galing oh.
Big boy naman na ang baby, oy. Diyos ko Lord, ang bilis ng panahon. Yung mga kids ay lumalaki na.
Tanawa.
Ala, kamatayo naman akong cellphone mo ko, eh. Lubat, charge ko ni.
May-charge na ako, kaya ako ganun pa sa
Lagi. Magbabay sa tao, mag-chat-chat na lang pa kay. Charge kay. Low battery.
babay na, kaya ako makiuna na sa magkita ng vlog kasi ako.
Oh, naman man. Naka-upload naman ko, ma.
Ano ka? Yan ako na.
Upload na. Yeah, akong mama nga, taga-bantay sa akong upload. Bye-bye, Dong! Good night! Mwah, mwah, mwah! Mwah, mwah, mwah!
Bye-bye, mamita! Advance happy birthday na pari. Nagita mo.
Thank you! Thank you! Speak tomorrow!
Hindi na sa imo. Ikaw, kung na kinabay sa Australia na.
Bye-bye, Dong! Oo.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye, Dong! Tayo ay maghahang ng damit. At 9 o'clock ng gabi, gising na gising pa ang ating aliparis. Pasama ako sa kanya, guys. Alright. Sa Singapore tayo maghang kasi it's been really warm for the last 3 days. Oh, I think tomorrow ay ulan. Oh, just go right now. Ulan naman yung bukas na. I think. But this one's fine. See? Kailangan na talaga maghang. So it's now midnight. It means it's Mommy's birthday now. Whoop whoop. Oh my God. So, kanina patulog yung mga kids, pati si Daddy Mike. So, si Daddy Mike, he's not feeling well. Lumabas siya kanina, kumuha ng paracetamol. And si Mami nyo, kasi hindi ako kumain nung kumain yung mga kids kanina. So, ako nag-midnight snack / dinner. So, I just want to end the vlog with a shout out. Kaya, inopen ko yung, camera. Anyways, shout out to A Chic Life. Hello, Sis Trix. Thank you for watching. And alam nyo ba, I just wanna say thank you very much sa inyo na tinatapos nyo talaga yung vlog. Kahit na gaano kahaba yung vlog or gaano kaiksi yung vlog, tinatapos nyo. At nalalaman ko yun kasi nagko-comment kayo na thank you sa shoutout. So, it means na tinatapos niyo talaga yung vlog. So, sobrang salamat kasi, you know, feel na feel ko yung love and support. I know na may mga nanonood and then they start watching and then they probably don't like it. So, they exit out sa vlog. But, yeah, karamihan sa inyo guys, pag sinashoutout ko kayo, nalalaman nyo kasi nanonood kayo, di ba? So, sobrang salamat. Gusto ko lang talaga magpasalamat. Shout out to JTRDNS. So, first time niyang mag-comment. First sabi niya, "Hi dear, I love you and your fam. Silent viewer lang." Oh, di ba? So, alam ko rin na may mga marami din sa inyo na silent viewer lang na nanonood ka pero hindi sila nagko-comment. So, still very thankful ako sa inyo. Shout out to Esther Timwat, Yet Palino, Irene Aliperio, Leni Langit, Lisan Bansil, Jamila Kawaja, Rochelle Pacana, Mercy Narito, Maricar Castaneda, Juliet Caparas, Lolita La Cuesta, Orsia Dacora, Eleanor Tanutan, Cleody Fevillar, Emily Hilasca, Jenly Beauchamp, Victoria Baptista, Timmer On My Way, Yuli Novero, Roresa Camposano, Min Cinco, and Irina Cuenca. So that's about it for today's vlog, guys. Today it's already my birthday, but I'll vlog tomorrow and see kung ano yung seriously, like walang bonggang plan for my birthday, but I'll vlog, I'll share with you guys kung ano yung ganap sa birthday ko. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, please like this video if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Thank you guys. Bye.